Hi, in this video I'm trying to boot an Red Hat system for an exam here on this Lenovo IdeaPad laptop, and as you can see it's not booting. Let me restart and show you. So if I go here, I restart, I press the F12 key when it's restarting. So let's restart it. We will see in the boot order menu, give it a second. So I'm pressing F12 on the keyboard. Okay, we got it. So now we have please select boot device. So as you can see I changed the boot order. You don't have to do this, but even though if you even select this and press enter, it will not boot into the USB device. So I can go ahead and click on it as if I want to boot in the USB stick, but it's just gonna boot Windows normally. So as you can see, it's not even booting the USB stick now. It will just load up Windows. Beautiful profile login page. So yeah, let's restart it and let me show you what you need to do. Even though if you an error, if you change the boot order and put the USB stick on the first item as the first item, it will not work. What you need to do is press F12 again. Give it a second. Okay, now go to setup and go to security. And what you need to do here is scroll down. This will be difficult, so you have to click this and drag it. I told you it's going to be difficult. Drag it down to secure boot. So disable secure boot, and now you can press F10. So that means save configuration changes and exit now. Okay, if we've done that, and now we press F12 again, but it will definitely boot into the USB because I set it as the first item on the boot list as well. But if you haven't set it, press F12 again, and now click on USB HDD. So this is an HP USB stick. Press on it, and now it will start booting, as you see here, in the Red Hat environment or whatever USB operating system you have on your USB stick that you want to boot in your Lenovo laptop. Okay, that was it. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.